Wiseglass again. Today we're going to be doing a semi-frameless neoangle shower. Neoangle, meaning it's not a square, it's not a rectangle. Pretty much all it is a square or a rectangle, but with a point cut off. I'll show you a picture here in a minute. With this one we're doing chrome hardware to match the rest of the fixtures in the bathroom. Clear glass, customer didn't want the privacy, which is an upgrade. You could go with regular privacy, obscured glass, you could do rain glass. There's so many different variables on what you can do with privacy glass. Neo-angles, there's a lot more metal involved. The seal, the header. You can also do this in a frameless shower. It's very clean. Now, going with a neo-angle in this shower, this bathroom's really small, so it's a good option to go to because you're cutting off that point. This shower would be way out here, but for this instance, it's actually going to be back here. So we're saving a lot of room going with a neo-angle. We're going to go ahead and get started with this. Go ahead and fast forward to the end of the video or just watch the whole thing. Once we're done, I'll show you the finished product, how it looks, how it operates, and a little bit more of a walkthrough of what we did to get this done today. If you have any questions, please ask away. Let me know what you want to see in the video. Am I moving too fast? Am I not describing enough for you? If you want to know more details, I can make a very long in-depth video of step by step on how I'm doing this. So this is your neo-angle, no corner, just cut off. So we got our holes drilled. We're gonna put some plugs in the holes where we're gonna put our screws. set up, we're going to go ahead and put some plastic rubber blocks in the channel for where the glass goes. This way the glass is not sitting on metal. Once again, when it comes to tempered safety glass, the edges are the most delicate part of the glass. So the smallest nick on tile will make the whole piece of glass explode. We're going to go ahead and slide our glass into this channel and set it down the bottom. There it is. Semi-frameless, neo-angle shower door. Open, closes very nicely. This is the handle. Just a little clamp on. You can upgrade to a C-pull. It goes through the glass, 2 holes, like on your frameless showers. Just a little magnet latch. Latches directly to here. Don't really recommend it. Sometimes the weathering of the shower will allow the gasket to shrink up, and then this just falls off compared to going with a C handle where it's tightened through the glass. It's very nice, clean. This is your neo-angle. Saves a little bit of room in the bathroom if you have a small bathroom. Came out very clean.